Hey, what's up, guys? This is Freedom for Crypto here. I just wanted to bring a quick update for Bitcoin. Today is June 6th, 2024. Now, I've been studying the charts for a little while now, and I just noticed that Bitcoin had been in this little bit of a range here since 2017, starting off at the peak. Again, came into this range in December 2020 and found some resistance here. Broke through it, came back, couldn't find support here, found the support down here, came up, broke through it, back tested it, prior resistance as support, broke out, came back down, found a little bit of support, but ultimately broke through, found more support here on this bottom trend line, came back up, found more resistance at the top trend line. Okay, now that's where we came into the bear market down here, and we've been in a bull run since the beginning of 2023. Okay, basically the first day of the year, the market just started running hard. We've had multiple 100% rallies since then. Right there, 100%. And I think we still got more to go here. Okay, so now let's zoom in. And you can kind of see we're back in that same range here. Okay, where we're finding that resistance here. Move this out of the way. Came down, found support. Now I think we're going to come back up. Maybe hit it as resistance, 78K. Okay, maybe we come back down, back into the range and come back down to 60K. Who knows? But on the smaller time frames, we have a pretty nice head and shoulders coming. So you can see it on the daily pretty good. If we take our head and shoulders tool, draw it out here, and connect it there, here, and here. And we get a price target of 90K or so. So we could be seeing a breakout to 90K in the imminent short term, possibly this midsummer. Nothing's guaranteed, nothing is financial advice, but in my opinion, I could see us heading a lot higher here. And who knows? Maybe we'll maybe we'll break out of this range once we get to 77K. Maybe we'll back test it. Maybe we'll break out right here, back test, hit this parabolic curve that we've been on since the beginning of 2023, and continue up from here, to the back up to the top of this red range. This could be the top of the market right here, guys. Here, maybe we come back, test it again, or we come all the way up to this logarithmic curve that I've been charting for, basically since I've been in crypto. Everybody kind of knows about the whole logarithmic curve, so maybe we come all the way up to the top of that curve, 200K by the end of this year. But unless we break this parabolic structure here, or some of these previous supports, I just don't have any reason to be bearish at this point. So, if you're not in the market right now, I'd say continue to DCA in. This might still be a good spot to DCA in, especially if you have a multi-year outlook. Because we could come all the way up to 200K and retrace down 77% or 73% all the way down to 50K, So that could be our 73% drawdown from 200K down to 53K. And that's where we're going to find, the bottom of the next bear market. And that's where we're going to be dollar cost averaging in back into the market once we take profits somewhere in this area, or possibly in this area, early 2026, once the market finally does come down and make its lows for the next cycle. So anyways, hang in there, guys. Hang tough. I know it's a grind. It's definitely a grind, especially if you bought at the highs of the last bear market, the last excuse me, the last bull run. Especially if you bought the highs, back here. You've been holding for quite a long period of time now, waiting for your return to come back. If you bought the highs here, that's 1,176 days. So that's a good portion of 3 years, over that. So just hold tight, you guys. I think we got good days to come. And as far as the Bitcoin dominance goes, I think Bitcoin dominance might have one more push up, but at the same time, it could be topped out as well. You never really know. It's hard to tell. You can't really listen to one source. You kind of do your own research. So I mean, to me, it looks like dominance topped out here in 2020, and then again, maybe we bring the trend line up a little bit more. Maybe we got to bring it up to the top of here, and it's got one more push up to its 57%. But if we kind of zoom in, it looks like it might have broke this support right here. Maybe this is a bear flag. Who knows? Maybe showing some weakness. So I don't know. I'm in my positions. I got some altcoins. I got Bitcoin, and I'm just kind of excited to see how the next couple of years here go. So you guys hang tight in there. None of this is financial advice, and hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, make sure to like and subscribe, and we'll catch you on the next one.